Welcome to Advanced Bay, another day, another challenge. What we have today available is 2015 Dodge Challenger Shaker Package front shocks. This is a set that is available for sale. If you are interested, please let me know in comments down below. Also, please visit our store, advancedbay.com, and our eBay store in the link down below. If anybody is interested, this is OEM shocks. Here is the part number of one. Here is the part number of a second one. And it's a Bliston brand. They're yellow shocks. Here's a little bit more information. Oil and gas under high pressure shocks right there. So they're good. They came out of a car with only 60,000 miles. Thank you.